We can make a lot of money today, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can do it. The exact same strategy that I'm using, guys, and this is how much money I've got last week with it, okay? So just hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. Of course, guys, do not worry, this is gonna work all around the world, okay? So if you live in Africa, if you live in Asia, wherever you live in America, guys, you can get a lot of money, okay? This is gonna get you a lot of money, so just stick with me. New app is on the block. It is called tapmob.io. This is a new thing, and it is gonna connect TikTok and a few other social media brands, and this is invite only, okay? You can be an influencer and you can choose to make a deal with other influencers online. So maybe you can just go on TikTok.com and maybe you can just chat with the people there who already got millions of followers, and then you can get, for example, $5 for each one of those links that you provide, okay? It's a good opportunity, so you can just split the profit with some of those really popular TikTokers or maybe Instagrammers, some influencers. It's a really good option. Nowadays, all is possible, and this is only one way of making money, okay? You can get this one on the App Store. As you can see, tapmob.io. It has a good rating. It is invite only at the moment, and of course, it is on the Google Play as well. As you can see, you can choose when you're gonna get paid, guys. There is a lot of money in here, and I really mean it, guys. A lot of money is in here, but this is only one way. Next thing that I wanted to show you guys, it is called Prize Rebel, okay? This is a really nice option for anyone. You will just sign up for a free account. You will get that money by completing some simple offers, simple tasks, surveys, watching videos, and of course, you'll get that PayPal cash. And a lot of cash can be got here, guys. What I like about this website is that, just take a look at this. They have been established in 2007, guys, and that means that these guys have been in the business for a very long time, okay? That's a very long time, because that means that they know what they're doing. To be really existing that much time, that really shows us something, okay? That really speaks for itself. And just take a look at this, 12 million members on this website, and it's still growing. There is a lot of money in here because all of those people are sticking to it, okay? They're not going anywhere. You can just take a look at Prize Rebel on Trustpilot if you want. Just take a look at this, 3.9 out of 5. People really enjoy this. There are a lot of good comments. As you can see, I've had zero issues using Prize Rebel. It's a really good option for anyone. People really enjoy it. Just take a look at this. It's a great site, and it's easy to earn. And it's really easy to earn, guys. There is a really huge amount of money on this website, so I just suggest that you make yourself an account and start getting that. Just take a look at this. Apart from money, guys, they have a lot of these rewards, okay? You can get yourself PS5, you can get yourself computer, you can get yourself some Amazon gift cards. Really good website, and it's easy, guys, to get involved in this. Just make yourself an account and start doing these offers. And of course, you have a wide selection of offers. You can complete surveys, you can watch some videos, you can play some games. There is a lot of things to do on Prize Rebel, and of course to get those prizes, okay? And of course, hit our subscribe button if you feel like it. Thank you. Now, one more thing that Prize Rebel has, and it's a nice offer, are their affiliate programs, okay? It's easy as 1, 2, 3, as they say. Sit back and watch your earnings grow. And just take a look at this, guys. As your referrals earn by completing surveys, you will earn a 30% bonus based on their earnings, okay? So if they get 1,000 points, which is $10, you will get $3 out of it. So 30% is yours. So you can invite your family members, you can invite some of your friends, and trust me, if you build a network out of this, it's a really good income strategy. This can become passive income at its best, and it's the beauty, guys. It's the beauty. Passive income is the beautiful income that you can get for yourself, okay? Now, the next on the list is Superpay.me, and just take a look at Superpay.me on Trustpilot, guys. 4.6 out of 5. It's amazing, really. People really love the website. I love it as well. I've got a lot of money on this website, guys, and of course, you can just invest your time. The more time you invest in this, the more money you're gonna get. That's how it works. And just take a look at this. You can get PayPal, but you can even get some Bitcoin in here. You have some free join bonus if you want, but just take a look at this, guys. Get paid the same day thanks to our 8-hour payment promise. So as soon as you hit that cash out button, guys, 8 hours is all that you have to wait, okay? No more. Of course, you can make extra money online by completing quick surveys, offers, trials, games, videos, and more, okay? And just take a look at this. Regular $1,000 cash contests is what these guys offer. So they reward your activity. The more active you are, the more money you can get. You can be eligible to compete on these regular $1,000 cash contests and get a portion of that money, okay? So you can get, I don't know, 50, 60 bucks just like that each week if you compete with the people here. Really, really good website, guys. Superpay.me. And of course, what would this video be without freecash.com, which has some beautiful things, guys. First of all, just take a look at this, guys. 17 minutes and 16 seconds is all that you need, okay? 17 minutes and 16 seconds until you get your cash out, okay? That is the average time. And just take a look at these cash out options, guys. You can choose whatever you want. If you want to get yourself some PayPal money, just choose that, okay? You can choose Bitcoin as well, and that's what I suggest, but you don't have to listen to me. You can get some other cryptos as well. But of course, guys, whatever you want to get in the end, just click on these earning options. And of course, firstly, do these featured offers, okay? There are a lot of featured offers here. There are a lot of offer walls as well, surveys as well. And just take a look at this. This is gonna blow your mind. These guys reward your activity on a totally different new level, okay? They have $5,000 monthly leaderboard, and they have this on a monthly basis, okay? But they have something on a daily basis as well, and that's 500 bucks, guys. 500 bucks each day for the most active users on the platform, okay? You don't have to be first, you don't have to be second, and of course, you don't have to be third. You can be way down there, okay? You can be way down here and still get like 20, 30, 40 bucks for yourself each day, and that's something, guys. Just for being on this website, you get that money, okay? You know where this is headed. And just like that, on a monthly basis, there is 5,000 monthly, guys. 5,000 bucks, and this money is being split out to the most active users as well. So if you are active, guys, if you are here every day for a month, you have a chance of splitting this money with all of these nice people on Free Cash who get a lot of money, okay? Of course, you have a Google Play app. You can download that, and that way this is gonna be on your phone. So whenever you are outside, you can do some offers, and you can be sure that you're gonna compete with those people. Just take a look at this, 500,000 downloads, and they have 4.7. This speaks for itself. Just get that money, guys. Get it from all of these websites, and I'll catch you later.